So guys, this video I'll show how to edit your photo with Leonardo AI. I'm just app.leonardo.ai AI generators. So I'm just click one image with princess and like copy to clipboard. And how to check this is promote. Okay, just click copy and click close and just upside. Okay, generate and paste. So guys, this is the one problem and I will use another profile. So this is the princess with a girl. So I'm just alter details illusion of beautiful Japanese woman. So I'm just copy with these tracks and generate new image. Okay, now I'm just click AI generator and paste prompt. Okay, just I'm changing illusion of Japanese woman wording like cloth and makeup. You add by cell shade and full body and Japanese cartoon. Okay, now I'm just using two photo with 4 tokens. So generate click and generate start. So you can currently free plan priority generates additional token or create for much more. So guys, now just ready and 2 emails here. Keep watching this video. So goodbye, see you next time.